Hey Steve, I'm Keith and this is Mickey Schaffler, and got this bus about 3 years ago and been working on it ever since. Slowly but
So
surely.
what's the name of the bus?
Oh, field trip.
Yeah,
Our daughter, when we
show the
go
cool
on a
side.
trip, she'd say, "Where are we going on this field trip?" So we decided to name it field
The
trip.
bus is McKann's field trip.
I like it.
That's me and her, and we have a field trip every time we go somewhere. So, got a couple electric bikes we take along with us. Come on in, we'll show you. Turn more light on in here. It's pretty short, so it doesn't have a whole lot of compost toilet. We use this freezer as a refrigerator. We have a Johnson controller that raises the temperature. Works really good. It'll run like 10 days without even having any solar going, you know.
Nice.
Because I only have two. I have two 6-volt golf cart batteries back there. That's all I have right now. I just made this before we came down here. I thought I was starting it with plenty of time, but actually there was nothing here the day we were leaving. The bed was tore out. I was running plumbing, wiring, all that. I was like, oh my God. It's incredible. Queen size bed with a 9-inch mattress, memory foam. I put these swivels on these seats.
Right.
So we can spin them around and sit in here like days like yesterday. It was raining.
Yeah, yesterday it rained and
yeah.
I didn't even leave my trailer.
So my stove needs one fitting to get hooked up. The sink needs another fit.
Of course.
So, but I figure we're going to be gone for a while, so we'll eventually all get.
Yeah, well, you always have to have a project.
Yeah. Our little white containers here that we decide to throw up till I get a shelf made is out of the door of a side-by-side refrigerator.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I screwed them on there. It works for now, you know.
Sure.
Everything's good. It's all fun, but it's actually funner to use it. That's why everything's not done. Because it's like, oh, I could do that, but I'd rather be camping somewhere in it, you know. But there'll be doors here. The rest are drawers. This is where I'm gonna have the solar inverter and all that under there. Batteries will be underneath, right underneath there.
All right.
Stove, diesel heater down there. This is a step/suitcase.
Sure.
Water, the portable shower, all the stuff for in this part of the garage, and then the back has all the solar in it right now.
Well, it's always fun trying to figure out how to get everything you want and everything you need into a short bus.
It's really weird because when I started making this cabinet, I measured it and measured it and measured it, and we started to bring it in through that door. I measured the width, and it was like, oh, this will fit. Of course, it didn't have the top on it, but I said, we got it in, it was hitting the back of my seat. I mean, it came in by like an inch.
Right.
Otherwise, I would have been notching something to get it in.
Well, now you know that how wide the door doesn't matter. It's how wide it is to get through.
Yeah. Exactly. Well, now I know.
Right. Well, you know, if you're like me, you don't make the same mistake twice. You make better mistakes the next time.
This is actually going to be a narrow pull-out that will hold like canned food and whatever.
Sure.
So, yeah.
Oh, very nice. I like what you've done so far.
Yeah, I like it.
Right.
Someday maybe we'll see it and they'll be like, oh, that's all done now.
Oh, thanks for the tour.
Yeah, thank you.